Okay, so we're going to do another video where we count valence electrons, but this time we're going to talk about counting valence electrons in ions. And so an ion is going to be just like an atom, except it's going to have too many electrons or too few electrons. It's going to have extra, or we're going to take some away. So let's go over to the whiteboard to just control what that might mean. Consider here, let this red sort of curved thing here be like the top of a periodic table. And what we have here is group 1, and all of these are going to have one valence electron. Everything here is going to have one valence electron. All of these atoms are going to have two valence electrons because they're in group 2. All of these atoms in this column are going to have 3 valence electrons, 3, 3, 3. And all these are going to have 8 valence electrons. How do you spell 8? Like that. Okay. Right? Now, those are if they're atoms, but if they're ions, that means that they've got a charge on them, right? And so if you have a plus charge, what does that mean? That means that we have too few electrons, right? And that's going to be a cation. Okay? And what if we have a negative? That means we've got too many electrons, right? And so that means that we're going to be, our electronic configuration is going to have more, right? Our valence electrons are going to be more if it has a negative charge. All right, so that's going to be an anion. All right, so let's go over then to our question at hand. This is germanium, Ge, and it doesn't even matter if you don't know what that is. We just go find it, right? Okay, see what button I'm pushing again? So I'm just looking for Ge. I'm going to come back off here, right? Watch this. Ge is number 32. Do you see it there? And I'm going to press Ge. Yeah, its atomic number is 32. But more importantly, I see that it's in group 4. Do you see that? It's in group 4A. And so it's the germanium atom is going to have 4 valence electrons. But if it's got a 2 plus charge on it, that means it's got too few. We're missing 2 electrons. All right. So 4 minus 2 is going to be 2. All right. I'll do another example. Try another one. Okay, indium. Indium, where is that? It looks like indium is number 49. Do you see it there? There's number 49. There's indium. It looks like it's in group 3A. All right, so if it were an atom, it would have 3 electrons, but it's missing 2 electrons. That's why it's got a 2 plus charge, right? So this is only going to have 1 valence electron. All right, let's do another one. Okay, tellurium, Te. Again, it doesn't matter if you know what that is. We just go find it. Te, and it looks like Te is number 52. I see it there, right? So which one is that in? 52 is in group, looks like it's in group 6, okay? So it would have 6 electrons because it's in group 6, but since it's got a 2 minus on it, it's got 2 extra electrons, okay? So this is going to be 8. All right, and that's all there is to it. I'm doing this almost entirely orally, so I'm not writing this out for you. If you want some additional help on that, I hope you'll let me know. All right, good luck to you.